Good morning, students. Today we will study lesson 9 Reproduction. All living things ultimately die. However, life continues from generation to generation because living things can produce young ones of their own kind. So, reproduction is the process by which living things produces young ones of their own kind. The reproduction of new organism from the existing organisms of the same species is known as reproduction. Reproduction is essential for the survival of a species on this earth. Reproduction by human beings ensures that the human species will continue to exist on this earth all the time. Reproduction gives rise to more organisms with the same basic characteristics as their parents. Means the characteristics of the newborn child will be the similar to their parents. The newly born animal is called young ones. Now, what are the various methods of reproduction? There are two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So, first of all, let's discuss about asexual reproduction. The reproduction of the type in which the production of a new organism from a single parent without the involvement of sex cells or gametes takes place is called sexual reproduction. For example, sexual reproduction takes place in amoeba. Students, amoeba undergo binary fission. This we have also done in chapter class 7th. So, binary fission in amoeba is an example of this type of asexual reproduction. Next comes the sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction now? The production of a new organism from the parents by making use of their sex cells. What are sex cells? Sex cells are also known as gametes, is called sexual reproduction. Now, in which organism does this sexual reproduction take place? Examples are human being, fish, frog, etc. Now, male and female. An animal having male sex cells called sperms in its body is called male. So, any animal means which possess male sex cell will be known as male, and an animal having female sex cells called eggs in or ova in its body is called a female gamete. The cell involved in sexual reproduction is called gametes. The male gametes in animal is called sperms and the female gametes in animal is called egg or ova. Now, what are sperms? The sperms is the male gamete. It is a single cell with the usual cell component like nucleus, cell membrane, and it is called as sperm. Now, what is an egg or ova? The egg is a female gamete. It is a single cell. The human egg is round in shape and about 0.15 mm in diameter. Zygote, the new cell which is formed by the fusion of a male gamete and a female gamete, is called zygote. Zygote is a single cell. Now, how does sexual reproduction take place in animal? The whole process of sexual reproduction in animal involves the formation of sperms and eggs, joining together of sperms and eggs to form a fertilized egg, and growth and development of it to form a baby animal. It is the process of sexual reproduction in animal. The male parent produces male gamete called sperms. The female parent produces the female gamete called ova. The sperm enter into the egg. The nucleus of sperm fuses with the nucleus of egg cell to form a new cell called zygote. You can see in the diagram. The zygote divided rapidly to form a hollow ball of hundreds of cells which is called embryo. Means zygote multiplied to form embryo. Embryo grows and becomes a fetus. Fetus grows and develops a new baby animal. This is how the new baby animal is formed by sexual reproduction. Now, let us understand the male reproductive system. The male reproductive organ consists of the following organs: testes, scrotal sacs, epididymis, sperm duct, seminal vesicles, and penis. Testes are the real reproductive organelle in male. Testes make male gamete called sperms. Testes passes the sperm from the male body to the female body that causes fusion. Now comes the female reproductive organ. The female reproductive system consists of the following organs: ovaries, oviduct, uterus, and vagina. Ovaries are the real reproductive organs in the female. Ovaries make the female gamete called egg or ova. In the human beings, a mature egg is released into oviduct every month by one of the two ovaries. The fertilization of egg by a sperm makes placenta in the oviduct. What is fertilization? The fusion of a male gamete with the female gamete to form a zygote during sexual reproduction is called fertilization. Zygote is actually a fertilized egg. It is of two types. These are as fertilization is of two types: internal fertilization and external fertilization. Both the cases, the sperm fuses with the egg. Now, in internal fertilization, sperms deposited near female reproductive tract, fertilization occur within the tract. While in external fertilization, female releases eggs into environment, male fertilizes them externally. In internal fertilization, few zygotes are produced, means few fertilized eggs are produced, while in external, many zygotes are produced. Internal fertilization is more protectful, more protection for developing embryo, while in external fertilization there is less protection for the developing embryo. Now, how does the development of egg or embryo takes place? Fertilization results in the formation of zygote, which begins to develop into an embryo. The zygote divides rapidly to give rise to a ball of cells. The cells then begin to form groups that develop into different tissues and organs of the body. This developing structure is termed as embryo. The embryo gets embedded in the wall of the uterus for further development. Embryo continues to develop in the uterus. It gradually develops the body parts such as hands, legs, eye, ear, etc. The stage of the embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is called a fetus. When the development of the fetus is complete, the mother gives birth to the baby. In animals which undergo external fertilization, development of the embryo takes place outside the female body. The embryos continue to grow within their egg coverings. After the embryos develop, the egg hatches. Now, there are two types of animals, viviparous and oviparous. Some animals give birth to young ones, while some animals lay eggs, which later develop into young ones. The animals which give birth to young ones are called viviparous. Those animals which lay eggs are called oviparous animals. Now, what is metamorphism? Metamorphosis is in a biological process by which an animal physically develops after birth or hatching, involves a conspicuous and relatively abrupt change in the animal's body structure through cell growth and differentiation. It takes place in frog. Now, what is asexual reproduction? There are some cases in which asexual reproduction take place. For example, binary fission in amoeba, budding in yeast and hydra, etc. The process of reproduction in which new individuals are produced from a single parent. Only single parent is there, that is microorganisms. Asexual reproduction is found in single celled organisms such as archaebacteria, eubacteria, etc. Many plants and fungi produces asexually as well. In corals and sponges, buds do not separate out but remain attached to the parent organism. They grow to full size and reproduce again and again, producing a colony. So this is how students reproduction takes place. Thank you.